This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Home tucked away in the heart of Norfolk, that offers 5 bedrooms with 3 full baths. An open contemporary floor plan with beautiful LVP flooring, dining room with custom chair railing and crown molding. Beautiful gourmet kitchen with upgraded cabinets, granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy an inviting family with electric fireplace, recessed lights, updated fixtures and a bonus first floor bedroom with a full bath. Upstairs features a large primary suite with tray ceiling, walk-in closet, dual sinks, soaking tub and separate shower. Enjoy the privacy fenced yard, custom deck, all while men's away from shopping, bases, interstates and more. For more information, review the details.